weather today, and hoping to get about 3 runs in. And the only reason I'm going is to get some logs for Jay, to get data logged. Last time it was pulling timing at the track on my last video, racing the old man with the fake 392 and Stang Woods Mustang the last time I was there. So he wants me to get some track logs, see how it's performing at the track, see if it's doing anything different, so we can get all the adjustments in. So no prepping today. The only prepping I did were 17. I had to do it the 17s and the slicks on, and I took the spare out because, you know, it's a 33-inch spare. What's that going to do if something does happen? I need 2 tires. I didn't feel like bringing anything. Tailgate's on, everything's on, full weight, full interior, everything. Shitty weather. It's about 84 degrees out. Not the best, not the worst. I'd say close to 15 to 1800 DA. That's my guess. I haven't looked it up yet. I should have before I left. And I'm hoping today to even run 12s. If I run 12s, I'll be happy. Pulling timing, I'm thinking, you know what I mean? But being as heavy as I am in this shitty weather, you know what I mean? My best fully prepped and everything is a 12.4, and that was in good weather. I was having traction issues, so it could have been much better, but we're going to see how she does. We'll get everything set and go down there and just try to make a couple good passes and get the logs out to Jay. And we're going to run the best times we can run for today. It's not, like I said, it's not the best weather, and I don't even know anyone that's going, so I don't have any really planned racing. I'm just going to freaking put the camera on for you guys and race whoever I line up against, and hopefully it's get some good logs for Jay and everything goes well. Had the first pass. I know I did a 179 60 foot. I data logged it. Don't know exactly what the run was going to be. I actually felt pretty good. I'm going to say a 13.0 to a 12.9, anywhere between there, but not going to lie, it actually felt really good, especially for being, you know, full weight minus the tires. And I'll let you know in a second what I'm going to weigh this too, what it weighs right now with the 17s. I've weighed it before with the you know, full weight on the 20s, but I am minus the spare also. So it's just 17s and no spare. So we'll see. I'm hoping to 12.9. Thank you. 13.0. Let me see if this thing weighs. Alright, well, the scale was flipped the other way. So I didn't feel like getting out the truck and looking to see what it weighs. I don't know why they did that. Yeah. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go one of the last runs of the night, and I will get out and see what the truck weighs without me. I know what I weigh. I'm about 260. Yes, I'm a big guy. And, you know, I know it's well over 5,000 pounds and everything in here. But, yeah, I'm all right. 13.017. See if you guys can see this really good. Let's see here, 13.017 at almost 104. Not bad. I'm running full weight, pump gas. Not bad at all. Top, like I said, it's about 1700 DA. So I'm happy with that run, and we'll get another run, and we'll go from there. That actually felt better than the last run. Don't even know what I raced, a Subaru Legacy. He's way back there. But yeah, the 60 foot was a 178 from what the board said. When you take off here, you can actually see your 60 foot. I slept at the light a little bit, and I'm not going for that. I'm going for logs, so I'm not going to race, beat whoever. But I think that was a 12-second pass. Let's see. I'm hoping it is. And I'm gonna get one more in. My goal is to get 3 in today. It's it's not crowded at all, so hopefully get 3 runs in, call it a day, and have a good one. Well, for me, have a good one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
1297. All right, I'm happy. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted the 1297 in this fucking heat. I said 1295 to Jay right before this, so if he watches this, which I don't think he will, but I'm happy with that. Very happy. Got one more in me, and see how she does. I'm happy. Big girl's running strong today. She's sitting at probably 5,600 pounds with me in it, and maybe a little less because I have the 17s on. But I'll say around 5,600 pounds. That's my goal, my guess. Well, definitely over 5,000, 5,200 without me, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not 400 pounds, but it's a fun day. Gonna have a good one, and we're gonna get one more run in, maybe 2 runs in, depending if I can. We just got the last pass, another pass in. Just took my helmet off. Felt about the same. Felt pretty good. Just raced a bolt-on GT500, older one. He went. I don't even know what he went. I wasn't really paying attention to him, but he ran pretty good. I took him off the line. I don't know if he spun. I don't know. I did red light. I did see that because I know I can launch pretty good, and I know I might be able to have a chance of beating him out of the hole. But I don't know. I think a 13-0 again. That's my guess. And I'm going to weigh this guy this time. We're going to see where we're at with the weight. And that might be my last run of the night. Thank you. 12,991. Actually getting a little bit faster. Guys, we just got the last pass in. About a 182, 60 foot. I feel like it spun a little bit maybe. I didn't hit the tires up as good as I did the first 3 passes. But I beat the GT500 off the line. And it felt like it felt good, ran good. This thing's been running great all night. Temperature's been running good with the tranny, because last time I was out, the tranny started getting a little warm. We let it cool down. So, I mean, this may be another 12.9, I'm thinking. Might be a 13.0. The air definitely got a little bit better, but we'll see how we did. Hoping for a mid 12.9, 12.95, 12.94. Should be around that ballpark. And that's going to be our last run of the night as soon as I get this time slip, and we're going to get out of here. actually spun way more. Ain't no big deal. Ain't no thing. And you know, that sucked. Yeah, 182, 60 foot, and you know what happens. You don't always get the best runs, and you know what I mean. It is what it is. Truck ran great all night. I'm very happy the way the truck is. Much better than it was the last couple times. But I'm gonna get out of here and head on back home. I got 4 runs in. I've been here for about 3 hours or so, and I'm done for the night with the truck. Very happy. Truck's running good, and hope you guys enjoy the races. Till the next one. Peace.